How to redeem Nike gift card on app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can redeem Nike gift card on the Nike app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified whenever we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Nike app. Add the product you want to buy to your cart. So let me add a product to my cart. Now go to your bag in the top right corner. Now tap on checkout. Fill in all this, your name, last name, address, postal code and all of this, and then tap on continue. You will see here when your product will arrive. Then tap on continue. Check this box if your billing matches shipping address. Then tap on continue. And here you can write the promo code and redeem your Nike gift card. So this is how you can redeem Nike gift card on the app.